Okay, so let us start application of integrals. Integrals. Right. So we will start with exercise 8.1. So actually here application of definite integral. Okay, everywhere definite integral. So integration is used to find out area. Okay, so finding area. Okay, actually it is under the curve.
Under the curve?
What under the curve, that I will tell you. Okay, let us solve one question and from that only you will understand. So exercise 8.1 we will start. So what it is saying, find the area of the region. We need to find the area of the region bounded by the curve. Bounded by the curve. And the curve is what? Y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x. And the lines. And the lines x is equal to 1 and x equal to 4 and x and the x-axis and the x-axis. Right? So whether you have understood the question is saying that find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to x. This is which type of equation? Equation of parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, so in that same form it is there, y square is equal to x. Okay, so this is the equation of parabola. Okay, and the lines x equal to 1, x equal to 4 and the x-axis. Now here also, as you have seen, that what we need to do, we need to draw the graph first, figure first. Okay, so this is x and y axis.
Yes, sir.
X dash, y dash.
So what is bounded mean over there, sir?
Bounded. Okay, bounded. So now I will tell you that what is bounded. Let us first draw the graph. Now y square is equal to x. It means it will be giving you the parabola where it is passing through 0, 0. Huh? Okay. Y square is equal to x. No, y square is equal to x will be like this only. Okay, x square is equal to 4ay will be there. Okay, y square is equal to minus x will be in this form. Similarly, x square is equal to y will be in this form. X square is equal to minus y will be downward. Okay, so y square is equal to x. So this is the graph of y square is equal to x. Correct? Now, the lines x equal to 1. So suppose x equal to 1. It means it is constant.
Yes.
This is yes or no? So this is x equal to 1?
Yes.
So this line is x is equal to 1. Now another one it is giving that x equal to 4. Okay. Another one it is x equal to 4. So suppose it is 0, 0 and this is 1 and 0. Yes or no? This point. And another one suppose it is 4. This also will be like this. Yes or no? So this is 4 and 0.
Yeah.
And this line is x is equal to 4 and x-axis. Now question is saying that find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to x and the lines x equal to 1, x equal to 4 and the x-axis. It means bounded means which is covered.
Okay.
So x equal to 1 is this one, x equal to 4 is this one, and parabola graph is this one. So it means this region we need to find the area.
What about the other areas?
Other areas we need not to find now. We can find, but at present in this question we need not to find out. We need not to find. See, x equal to 1, x equal to 4 and x-axis and this parabola. X-axis is this one?
Yeah.
Okay, and this parabola. Right? Okay. So that only we need to find now. How to find? So what you need to do?
So 1 and 4 are limits.
1
and 4 are limits.
Limits. Okay, this is the point 1, this is the point 4. This will become the limit. Between 1 and 4 only you have to find the area. Okay. So now let us find out here. So the point of intersection of x-axis of x equal to 1 is 1 0.
Yes.
And for this 4 0.
4 0.
Yes? Okay. Now what I told you, area under the curve.
Yes.
Means if we are going for finding out any area, so now from this point to this point, this parabola downward only it will be giving you the area. Always it is giving you the area which is downward to that particular line, to that particular curve, not upward.
Yes.
Okay, upward area is not being given, downward. Right? Okay, so that's why I told you that area under the curve. So now if we want to find out, so as we are knowing that integration of a to b fx dx is giving you area of the curve
Yes.
from limit a to b, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, from a to b. Yes or no? Okay, so now here equation is given to us as y square is equal to x. Now you see that area under this graph only, this curve only we need to find. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So its limits, if you are drawing a straight line, so its limit is coming here as 1 and 0, this point.
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yes.
This point also, x point will be 1 only.
Directly, yes.
In this point, this intersecting point, x will be 1 only.
Yes.
Okay, y may be different.
Yeah.
Okay, y also, suppose x equal to 1, y also will be equal to 1 only. Okay, in this case here also 4 only will be there, so we are going to find from 1 to 4.
Okay.
Yes or no? Okay, so what it will be? So area of, so you have to name, let us suppose name, this is O, then A and B, C,
D.
D.
Yeah.
So we need to find the area of A, B, C, D.
Yes.
So area of A, B, C, D, A. Means full closed curve.
Yes.
So it will be giving you integration of what?
1.
So we are taking limit, x limit we are taking.
Yes.
So 1 to 4.
1 to 4.
Now this graph, that parabola is there. For that parabola equation only we are taking.
Yeah.
Because under the parabola curve only we are finding out area. So parabola curve, it means what? This limit is for x. It means this will be fx dx.
Oh.
fx dx or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So this is giving you what? 1 to 4. fx is what? So root x.
Yes.
Y is equal to
Root x.
root x. From this we can find out y is equal to root x. Okay. So it will become root x
Root x dx.
dx. Now we will solve that one and we will get the area.
Okay.
Yes or no?
X power 3
So
by
x to the power
3 by 2.
1 by 2 dx 1 to 4, which is giving you
X over 3.
x to the power 3 by 2 and 2 by 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 1 and 4.
4.
This is giving you 2
2
by
by 3.
3 and you can say 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 only.
1 s.
1 to the power 3 by 2 will be 1 only.
8
Okay.
sir. 8 by 8 into
So 2 by 3 into
8.
so 2 is square.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
8.
Okay. So this is giving you
8 minus
2 by 3 into
7.
8 minus 1
7.
7. So you can say the area
14 by 2.
is equal to 14 by 3 square unit. Like this we will write square units.
So the unit is very important, sir.
You have to write square units.
Okay.
What unit is there? That doesn't matter here. Here unit is not given. Square unit. Whatever unit will be there, area unit is square only.
Sure.
Huh?
Like-
Meter is square, centimeter is square.
If it is volume, then volume you can find.
Volume here we are not able to find. Okay, so integration is used for finding out area of the curve.
Sir, so the question is, sir, the equation, like f of x root of x.
This one.
Yeah, we'll give it in the example.
From this equation we have to find out
So when
what
you-
is y equation is there or what is x.
Okay.
From this only we need to derive.
Okay.
We need to derive. Like this we can write as y is equal to root x.
So if they switch the thing like x square is equal to y, then you have to change the parabola.
If you want, you can change the limit also.
Yeah.
If you are going for limit y, then you can go for that y.
Or the same thing.
Then it will be y dy.
Yeah, yes, sir.
It will be y dy. Okay? Right.
But this type of question won't come in exam.